And Coinbase's valuation is effectively the same as the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange. I asked Brian how investors should think of a comp for Coinbase, and if it's a fintech company, more aligned with the PayPals or Squares in terms of a multiple, or more like an exchange.
So this is one of those companies where it's tough to come up with an exact comparable. It's kind of like saying, is Tesla a car company? Well, yes, but it's also kind of a software company, right? Or you could come up with any example. Is Amazon a retailer? Sort of, but it's also a software company. And so, Coinbase it's technology, it's software, it's cybersecurity. It also has aspects of financial services with compliance and legal and various licenses that we've gotten. And so you could say, okay, well, that's finance and technology, that's fintech. And I think there's some truth to that. But it's actually kind of different because most fintech companies are really building, I would say kind of like the UX layer on top of all the same underlying rails, whether that's ACH transfers or SWIFT or wire transfers or credit cards. And so a lot of their services look similar. They can innovate in the UX layer, but they're all the pricing and the speed at which transactions move and everything is kind of similar because it's underneath. We're kind of really, you can think of us as the first fintech that's kind of like vertically integrated. We own the customer relationship all the way down to integrating with the underlying rails themselves. And of course, these are brand new rails, the cryptocurrency blockchains out there that are inherently global. They're cross-border. They're allowing kind of transaction confirmation times to come down. They're allowing fees to come down, at least, when things are working well. And we need to keep scaling blockchains. So building on these new rails is kind of a really cool opportunity to create a new type of company, a crypto company. It's really kind of a new category.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.